Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar Swiss franc. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex and trading content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and break down what is happening on this chart and then on this Forex pair. And those of you who've been watching our Black Forex videos for some time know that we're going to get started with the currencies first, okay? So let us discuss what is happening with the CHF, okay? Now the CHF has been traditionally one of our weaker currencies, especially since the beginning of this war between Russia and Ukraine, because the CHF is one of the major three European continents of currencies, also with the euro and the Great British Pound. Okay, so it has been inherently weak for a quite some time, but now we're starting to see some strength pick up with it. And the reason why the strength picked up with it because the overall trajectory weakness due to the geopolitics that is being thrust upon the Swiss economy trumps any economic interventions that it can do to try to fix its economy from its current status or try to alleviate the inflation that has been strangling its economy like it's been doing all the major world major world countries economies. Okay, but anytime we have any strength or positive news that comes out about the CHF, right, it does make the CHF behave as if it's strong. But you have to take that with a grain of salt. Because just because we have temporary strength does not mean that the overall trajectory of the weakness has changed, okay? It is still overall weak, but any positive news causes it to have temporary strength like you're starting to see right now. Okay, so we're starting to see positive news we're starting to see positive news that is making it temporary strong, even though it is long term weak, even though it has long term weakness. Okay, so with the USD, we're starting to get more negative news and positive news coming out about the USD. The gas prices is going up, which is also affecting the US dollar as well. To get a good understanding of how gas prices are affecting the US dollar, I strongly suggest that you guys please watch our USD CAD video so you can get a good understanding of how gas prices affect the US dollar. Okay? And with the more negative news and positive news, the rising of gas prices and oil prices once again, also coupled with that, the doubt in the U.S. dollar could because of the impending recession that is going to be happening sometime in the summertime. We're starting to look at a weakening of the U.S. dollar. Okay. So this makes it prime for retracement, even though the U.S. dollar is on the left-hand side. With the U.S. dollar being on the left-hand side, that means that anything that's on the left-hand side when it's that weak is going to it's going to cause price to drop, which we're seeing right now. Now you see, even though CHF are coming into this week in this part of this week as the CHF somewhat acting as one of our stronger currencies, uh, it is still trajectory weak, but it just shows to come to show you how weak that the USD is. Is that a currency that is not as strong can actually be dropping down its price so much and so effectively. Okay, so but now let's get to where you guys want to know. You guys want to know is basically where is this chart going? Okay, so basically, let's see. All right. So we could drop a little more, but we can also see price pickup as well because, like we said, the CHF is has more to a long term inherited weakness than actual strength. Okay, so we could see a pick up in price ever so slightly before it continues back towards the short side. Okay, so we can see price pick up to either this area here or this area here before it continues towards the short side. Okay, and we're going to drop to probably about this area here. Okay, so if you want to play the retracement, your buying area is going to be limit is going to be right around here, okay? If you want to play the way of the trend, then it looks like this area here is going to be the new trajectory target area for this particular pair. So remember, with the CHF, there is going to be some very short-term temporary buying with this before price starts to drop much, much more significantly, okay? All right, so if you guys enjoy our content, we ask you guys to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up to date notifications on every time we drop new trading content and Forex content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share the videos. Liking and sharing the videos will allow you to will allow actually us to continue to grow our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to grow a community of profitable traders, okay? And also, last but not least, we ask that you guys please like and share. We ask that you guys please let us know what type of market analysis videos you do want to see. By letting us know what type of market analysis videos you guys do want to see, we know how to best to accommodate and to serve you, okay? You can let us know by leaving a comment on whatever video that you do watch, or you can reach out to us through either our social media or through our email. The links to our social media and email is listed in every description of every video. Please reach out to us and let us know what type market analysis videos you guys do want to see so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. And with that being said, happy trading.